kids. Wow.
Hi.
Let's see the price. This is gonna be a long video. Let's see the rope. ID. Oh wow. $70. It already paid for the box. $70 for this.
Really? Oh my goodness.
$70. Wow. But I was excited for this. So excited. Oh, I love it. All right, let's see the next thing. And I think this is just free. It's too late to eat a chocolate, otherwise I would be eating it. Let's see. There's more like,
Hey, I'm gonna re-download the
there's this stuff over here. What is this? You know what? I will be a little upset if they put any makeup in here because I absolutely said no makeup. I said no makeup. I don't want any makeup. I put there. And this is a blush. And I did see Jackie unbox this. And it is a blush. So, let me see, open it. This is the blush. And it's like an orangey color. I'm not even gonna swipe it because I probably just put it in a giveaway because, as you guys know, I'm not into makeup. So we'll just put it back. But let's see how much this is. Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. And this one is... Oh, let's see. Let me look for that. There's a lot of stuff here. Oh, I don't see that. Oh, this one. AC. 27 for this. 27.50. Can you believe that? That's a lot. All right, the next thing is this by Dr. Brand. And this one was my choice. I picked this one, so I'm excited for this one. And this is a cleanser. Pore Purifying Cleanser. So I'm excited for this. And this, let's see how much this was. 3C. $36. $36. So I'm excited for this. As you guys know, I love anything that has to do with skincare. Let's see this one. This is Probiotics and Super Goods by Tula. Oh my God. Yes. I'm excited for this. I saw Jackie and I already have the blue one. Oh, yes. Ooh, it's nice. Ooh, I'm excited for this. You know what? This already make like for the box. Like I'm happy with all this stuff already. And this one is the Tula. Where's the Tula? Let's see. 4B. Wow, $30 for this. See, already paid for the box. I'm so excited that I got this box. Thank you, baby. Let's see for the next thing over here. And this is a daily facial dry brush. Oh, nice. Looks like that. 8, 7, $20 for this. This is completely closed. Oh my goodness. How exciting. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be doing a lot of editings. Oh, it's only 11 minutes. Okay, not bad. All right. Look at how cute this is. Oh, and it's nice. Okay, so this was $20. $20. Nice. Okay, look at this brush. It's a facial. Oh, it's for the face. I'm gonna have to look into it. All right, let's put this. And this was my other choice. And this is Complete Eye Renewal Balm. Okay, and there's this one. This one is in the other. I like how it comes with all the prices. Nice. 2D. Oh my goodness. $68 for this. $68 for this. Wow, I'm excited. I'm so happy for this box. And there's more things over here. Oh wow, and what is this? Patches, Lucky Stars blemish patches. Okay, let's see this one. I don't see this. Oh, okay, and it comes with, okay, 6B, $18. Pesky blemish stand no chance against these patches. Ooh, $18 for this patches. All right, and the last thing I see here, and I'm excited for this. These are, I believe, this is like cutting boards. 5B, let's see, 5B. It's cutting board. It's a set of 4, and this is for $19.95. Oh, look at baby. For cutting
cool.
stuff.
Cutting board?
Yeah.
Me too. Oh, do you? When you cook dinner all the time?
Oh, nice. Look at the colors. This is nice. So 4. Oh, how exciting. Oh, and this is like $15 off. Oh, if you want to get a box. If you want to get a box, you get it for $15 off. So instead of paying $49.99, you get it for $35. So that's good. If you guys want to use this coupon, let me know. I can send it to you or take a screenshot. It's sparkle to your shine. Add a little sparkle to your shine. Nice. And this is the Hello Fresh. I got this because I opened a credit card. And I told my husband that I wanted to try it. So comment down below if you guys try it and if you like it. But I think that's it. So I'm so excited for, of course, my robe. I'm so excited for my robe. I'm so excited for this cleanser by Dr. Brand. I'm so excited for the Tula Glow Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. I'm so excited for this eye balm. I'm so excited for this brush. The only thing I'm not excited about is this. So this is gonna go in the future giveaway, so stay tuned. But other than that, I absolutely love it. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy my unboxing. I'm so excited that finally I got my FabFitFun box. So thank you for all the girls that sent me the starter box. Much love to everyone. Stay safe and healthy, and pass it by slowly. Bye bye. Much love. Definitely I recommend this 100%. Bye bye. Bye. Just to give you a close look of the magazine and the stuff, and this is the stuff that you can get. We got that. I got that. at all the stuff. Lots of good stuff. I got that. I got the tulip. I got that, and I got that. And I got this. I wasn't too excited for that. So yes. Nice magazine.